Hi everyone, and another Easter idea. However, I am repurposing items in the next couple videos. The first thing I'm going to do is make this into a Easter lily base and hang it out in my kitchen on the wall. And then I'm going to recycle the strainer, and it will end up maybe on my door for the outside, I'm not sure. Okay, so stay tuned. Grab stuff that you don't use in the kitchen anymore, and if you like the rustic farmhouse country look, repurpose it and make your Easter decor. This is March 5th, 2019. Let's continue. Hello, a brief pause. So now once I weaved the inner section, I now placed it on the outside. I hooked it this way. Okay, and you see where it's going now? And then up here I just tied it because this will be covered with a cross. Alright, let's continue with the slideshow. Hello, this is Miss Jonesy once again. I'm going to burn this cross, okay? I showed in the last video how I did it with my Darcy heat gun, and to me the cross is too new. Easter reminds me of rebirth and reborn, and the cross is old, supposed to be old. Also, the cross represents death. I do not wear crosses around my neck because it is a monument to people who have passed away and have been tortured and sacrificed. So I do not wear it as jewelry. I don't think it's something that I feel is a decoration for me to wear around. But on projects, I don't like to use anything that looks brand new. So what I do is I kind of burn it. And it's just, to me, the theme of sacrifice for Easter. And that's just me. But this is what I do. I turn on my heat gun and I just apply it very carefully and not for very long, just so that it scorches the twine. Okay? Do not do this with burlap. Burlap will melt. It won't turn out nice. But twine, you can heat up and scorch it a bit. Can you see the difference? And it does let off a little odor, so if you're allergic to twine or burlap and you heat it up, wear a mask. Also be in a ventilated area if you have little children around. I do not have my grandchildren around right now. So there you go. I'm going to burn it a little bit more because I have to use both hands. But let's continue with the slide. Oh, thank you for following me throughout the slideshow and the DIY. And have you figured out what it was that I repurposed into this beautiful door decor for my Easter season? When I am finished with this, I can remove the lilies and the carnations, and I will add cottonflowers and place this in my kitchen because of the metal and the burlap. You have any idea what it was? Well, the next project will be using this. What's the matter, kitty kitty? And do you know what this is? Anyhow, this is a barbecue kebab griller utensil. This is what I use to repurpose with. A kebab utensil. It's going to hang right on my door next month for Easter. And then I am going to use it again in the kitchen. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and look forward on what I make next. Upcycling or repurposing things we already have in the house, and everything is Dollar Tree except for the little paper flowers. Bless.